Hello, doctor. Let's talk about the teenagers, since there's not much of content on the teenagers. I've seen a lot of people, a lot of the teenagers getting into smoking. What is your take on it?
So currently, a lot of kids are falling to this cool trend. They're just watching all of these movies, influencers, social media, falling prey to their seniors or their colleagues smoking. They're walking by the road and they see someone smoking. So since they are in a developing age, their mind is growing. They're grasping everything what is in and around them. So when they see such things, they feel it's like a cool trend because they've seen it on television or on social media. They feel, oh, even if we do it, we're going to be the cool ones. So they fall prey very easily to such kind of stuff and they do not realize the ill effects of it. And usually smoking, when a child starts smoking at a very young age, it has a lot of dental issues. Like basically there'll be staining. Okay? This staining is going to cause discoloration of teeth. This will eventually lead to, it is going to compromise
Self-esteem and
it's going to compromise your confidence. They're not going to feel that great because your teeth are yellow and they feel like my teeth are yellow, his teeth are white. Okay, this comparison comes in. Secondly, smoking also leads to a lot of dryness in the mouth, which eventually leads to your cavities. Okay, your bones, the gums are going to be really weak. Okay, and kids are not aware of this because by the time they go through this, it's at a very late stage. And also major factors like cancers. Before every movie out there, that cancer as it's shown because the lady was smoking and she's down with the oral cancer. But it's for kids, it's just like a movie. They're not understanding the effects which is going to have later in their stage. So here it's an important role which we come in, which parents come into. So for such cases, I feel a lot of parental guidance is required. We as dentists, we need to guide them, like guide the parents what is to be done and how they are supposed to, talk to the child. Okay? Because you cannot tell a child don't do this. They will not understand. They will not understand the harsh words. This is a time where you have to actually guide the child, tell the child, see beta, this is not right. This is going to have this kind of effect later down the stage. Just because everybody is doing it, it's not like everybody is wearing dentures, I will also wear dentures. You cannot have that mentality. Just because everyone else is smoking, you're not supposed to smoking. So that kind of guidance, the parent has to guide the child. Let the child know what is good and bad. And especially at that particular tender age where they're easy to fall prey to such kind of trends which is going on. Yeah. So parental guidance comes in. Always, whenever, if you feel like the child is ready into this, most of the times, in fact, the child is not going to tell the parents. Okay, the parents will not know the child is smoking because obviously this is happening behind the back with friends, colleagues. So this is time where your dentist comes into plays a major role because it's very easy for a dentist to actually pinpoint. Okay,
even a regular checkup will make a difference.
So your
basic, we still come to know what is the.
So a basic that like once a child comes in and when we check, we see those stains. The stains are there, which are very characteristic features. So it's very easy for us to pick it up. So that can be done. So whenever if the parents can make it a habit of getting the child every 6 months to a dentist, so where the child can, where the dentist can look at the child's teeth and realize what is there. If it is the child falling prey to such kind of an influence or such kind of a trend, a proper thorough guidance can be done if required, through camps, through different kind of tobacco cessation programs.
I guess these programs can be kept in the colleges or schools.
Colleges, schools, even through
so
any social clubs.
They have an
kids,
idea.
Yeah, even social clubs, the kids attend. Like they're going for some sort of classes. So there we can arrange kind of these things, and parents and the child can enroll to know because if we show what is going to happen or how it's going to take a toll, the child, I'm pretty sure the child will realize what is good for their health and they will stop or restrict themselves from falling into such. And if already they are into it, then we can provide the necessary guidance. So always seek help with your dentist if your child is falling prey to it. If not, at least get a dental consult regarding